In this paper, we propose a 1 DOF band-based gripper inspired by human iris. The gripper is made with a 3D printer and bands to achieve a high payload-to-weight ratio. We performed several experiments to verify the performance of the gripper and demonstrated using a 6 DOF manipulator. The iris of the human eye controls the amount of light it receives by adjusting the size of the pupil. As the amount of light increases, the iris constricts the pupil to absorb less light. In contrast, when the amount of light decreases, the iris dilates the pupil to absorb more light. In response to light, the iris constricts the pupil, and the band of grippers corresponding to the iris forms the grasping area. When the gripper's rotation angle reaches 120 degrees, the bands begin to intertwine and the grasping area constricts. When the rotation angle reaches 240 degrees, the grasping area is fully constricted. This soft grip is used for gripping light and fragile objects. To measure the gripping force, an experiment was conducted using a load cell. As the gripper rotates, the band wraps around the load cell. When the rotation angle reaches 120 degrees, the bands begin to weave and the force is measured. Soft grip, achieved when the gripper rotates 240 degrees, is used to grip light and fragile materials with a low force without causing damage. Hard grip, achieved when the gripper rotates 360 degrees, is used to pick up heavy and rigid objects with high gripping force. To verify the robustness of the object to positional errors, we gripped the object at 9 different positions. When the rotation angle is 180 degrees, the band aligns the center point of the object and the gripper. When the rotation angle reaches 240 degrees, the bands are intertwined and grasp the object. To verify the grasping performance, we experimented with 12 different objects. Here are some examples. These show the grip of a bunch of bananas, a tennis ball, and a small mug from different angles. The banana is applied hard grip and the rest are applied soft grip. The bands are intertwined and grasp objects inside the grasping area. The payload of the gripper depends on the material of the band. The payload is measured using PVC, TPU, and silicone, and PVC shows the highest payload. The stability test is conducted with the proposed gripper attached to a 6 DOF manipulator. The manipulator tilts its posture at various angles while holding an object. We also demonstrated moving 2 objects into a basket with a 6 DOF manipulator.